Hey there. Today, let's talk about a super refreshing drink that's perfect for keeping you hydrated and satisfied. Watermelon lemon drink. Watermelon is not just tasty, it's also full of water, which helps you stay hydrated, especially on hot days. Plus, it's loaded with vitamins and minerals that are good for your body. Lemons add a tangy twist to this drink and are packed with vitamin C, which supports your immune system and keeps you healthy. They also help to detoxify your body and aid digestion. Making this drink is easy peasy. Just blend some fresh watermelon chunks with a squeeze of lemon juice and some ice cubes. That's it. You've got yourself a delicious and hydrating beverage that's perfect for any time of day. So next time you're feeling thirsty, skip the sugary drinks and reach for this watermelon lemon drink instead. Your body will thank you for it. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow us for more awesome content. Stay hydrated and happy sipping.
Are you tired of dealing with uncomfortable constipation? Say goodbye to discomfort with our easy and effective anti-constipation remedy. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a natural solution to help promote healthy digestion and regularity. Here's what you'll need: 2 tablespoons of garden cress, 1 glass of hot water, some drops of lemon juice. Garden cress is a powerful ingredient that is known for its ability to relieve constipation and promote bowel movements. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it an excellent choice for improving digestive health. Hot water helps to stimulate the digestive system and soften stool, making it easier to pass. Drinking hot water can also help to relax the muscles of the digestive tract, reducing discomfort and bloating. Adding a few drops of lemon juice to the remedy not only enhances the flavor, but also provides additional benefits. To make this anti-constipation remedy, simply mix the garden cress with hot water and add a few drops of lemon juice. Say goodbye to constipation and hello to relief with this simple and natural remedy. Don't forget to follow us for more fresh and easy recipes like this one.
Say goodbye to aches. Morning remedy. Are you tired of dealing with back pain, headaches, and joint issues? This natural remedy might be the solution you've been searching for. To start, gather these simple ingredients. Pear. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, pears help reduce inflammation and ease joint pain. Banana. Rich in potassium, bananas strengthen bones and alleviate muscle cramps. Clementine. A great source of vitamin C, clementines boost immunity and support joint health. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger relieves joint pain and enhances mobility. Lemon. Loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, lemon juice boosts overall health. Now, let's prepare the remedy. 1. Chop the pear, banana, clementine, and ginger into pieces. 2. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into the mixture. 3. Blend all the ingredients for 1 to 2 minutes until smooth. Voila! Your healing smoothie is ready to go. Drink it every morning on an empty stomach for best results. Don't forget to save this recipe and subscribe for more natural remedies to keep you feeling your best.
Looking for a natural remedy to soothe cold and cough symptoms? Look no further than this simple homemade onion syrup recipe. With just a few ingredients, you can whip up a powerful elixir that will help alleviate your symptoms and boost your immune system. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 1 red onion, 1-2 lemon juice, 1-2 cup pure honey. To make this homemade onion syrup, follow these easy steps. 1. Start by peeling and chopping the red onion into small pieces. 2. Place the chopped onion pieces in a clean glass jar and squeeze the juice of half a lemon over them. 3. Pour the pure honey over the onion and lemon mixture. Honey acts as a natural cough suppressant and throat soother, making it an ideal addition to this syrup. 4. Stir the ingredients together until well combined, then cover the jar and let it sit at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. 5. Once the syrup has infused, strain out the onion pieces and transfer the liquid into a clean bottle or jar. Store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, and there you have it. With just 3 simple ingredients, you've created a potent remedy that will help you feel better in no time. Give it a try and say goodbye to cold and cough symptoms. Don't forget to follow us for more fresh and easy recipes like this one.